Well, well, well. Okay. I'll be trespassing, guys. So I hope you guys don't come at me too hard with any form of cutting tools or any weapons. Because I just want to hear you guys sing. To be honest, that's all. That's the reason why I'll be trespassing in your country. Okay, so this country that I'll be trespassing in, it's called Croatia. Wow, Croatia. Okay. Croatians. I've heard some things about you guys that I think I should check out your music. I think. I'll check out your music. So that's the reason why I'm trespassing from Jamaica. What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are doing fantastic. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'll be taking a trip onto this man's performance. He's called Baby Lasagna, right? Rim ting tanning dim. Something like that. Forgive me for my mispronunciation. So it's a national final performance, and I want to learn something about you guys. So this music, it's not really being played in my country. So this is the reason why I'll be going deeper into your music, because I want to understand what you guys' music really are, what it sounds like, and what the musical instrument sounds like. I want to learn more about the artist himself. So I have a lot to learn. So guys, without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see how well he's gonna deliver this performance onto me so I could feel welcome. Trending in my country, Jamaica, because in this world there are so many countries, right? And I've only brushed a few, but this is one of the few that I love most. The Croatian music, it's really great. It's really adorable because I've listened to a lot of music from Eurovision Song Contest. I've heard like couple. This is one of the is the king of reggae, and they are from Jamaica. So I gotta say, every country have their specialties. Am I correct? Let's continue. Wow, wow, wow. The stage is literally filling with fire, bro. They are killing it, bro. Hey, the vibe. Mm. Take me to Croatia, please. Can someone take me to Croatia? All the same, I'm already there. And I'm so happy to be at you guys' country, where you're at, because you guys are so cool. Your music are so cool. Let's continue. Mm. That is one of the most sweetest transitions I ever heard, bro. Wow. This is darn cool, bro. It is darn cool. This is lit. I love it. I love it. I'm surprised though, to be honest. This is literally a super performance, bro. You Croatians are really good at music. You should keep up the good work and also encourage others to come and support your music, right? You guys are literally cool. The music is awesome, bro. Very awesome music. And I gotta say, I gotta check out the original song after this one. Let's continue. I love this dude's energy, bro. He's so energized.